The why the name is butterfly is there. Just look at the picture here. It looks like butterfly. The wing, the right wing, left wing looks like butterfly, right? It's just the name is like that. So in butterfly, the benefit if it's in range, more safer than the straddle and strangle. You must have noticed when you're doing the straddle or strangle, beyond the range, your risk is unlimited. When you're doing a straddle and strangle on the short side, you'll make money if market remains in a range. But if it moves out of the trading boundary, your risk is unlimited. Benefit is time decay, premium income. Disadvantage, the disadvantage is again your reward will be limited. Now look at this iron butterflies examples. You are selling 12,000 call, you are selling 12,000 put. So this is ultimately your short straddle. In short straddle, we sell same strike calls and put. So we sold it. We sold 12,000 call and 12,000 put, and net to net we received 180 points. So if you look here, 12,000 plus 180, 12,000 minus 180 will be your lower break even and upper break even. If market moves above 12,180, your risk is unlimited. If market goes below 11,007, if market goes below 11,820, your risk is unlimited. So now what I did with the short straddle, I added the long straddle to reduce my risk factor. So what I did, along with selling 12,000 call and 12,000 put at net inflow of 180, I bought 200 points higher and 200 points lower calls and put at combined premium of 20 and 30, that means 50 including, and my net profit will be 180 minus 50, that is 130. So if you look here, I received 80, I received 100, 180. Out of that, I again paid 20 and 30. So out of 180, I paid 150 rupees. That goes to 130. So this is my maximum risk, maximum reward scenario. So if market remains in between 11,870 to 12,130 in the combined butterfly example, I'll be in profit. So this is the hedging of short straddle by short strangle. So you are selling at the money call and put, and hedging by out of the money 200 points calls and put, so that you don't lose unlimited if market really move on one side and you take direction on one side. So your risk is 70 points in this scenario. Why 70 points? Because your spread between hedging your selling is 200 points, 12,000 to 12,200, 12,000 put to 11,800. So your spread is 200, and you are getting 130 as an inflow as a premium. So your risk will be 70, your reward will be 130. You will be requiring 70,000 as the margin, because this is some of the hedge strategy. So if market remains in range, you'll be in profit. But if it goes outside of the range, your risk is limited to the 70 points. So this is the biggest advantage of the iron butterfly compared to your short straddle and short strangle. So it's range bound. If market goes to 11,600, then you lose. If market goes to 12,400, then also you lose. So such kind of strategy works when you are expecting the range bound bias of the market. Now look at the option strategies. The comparative analysis. Short straddle, you are selling at the money calls and puts. Short strangle, you are selling out of the money calls and put. Butterfly, you are selling out of the money calls and put, but then you are hedging with out of the money calls and puts buying. So that's all from the different set of the option strategy. We learned on the bullish strategy, bearish strategy, and then we also worked on the neutral and the range bound hedging strategy. Hope you enjoy the session. You like the different way of strategy. You just look at the nsindia.com, find out the live examples, live price, and work on it. Just practice for a couple of days will make you the master in the option strategy. So that's all from my side. Happy watching, happy learning. Thanks.
Register for our free webinar. Download our app today. Link in description.